Hi, this is Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, I am making a coffee loaf cake. Now, what's fun about this recipe, it is inspired by my visit to a coffee plantation in Panama back in 2015. Now, we will be using the Omnia dividers, the silicone dividers, and in one half, I'll be making the coffee loaf cake, and in the other half, the same, but I will be adding bananas and walnuts. So the dividers come from a company overseas called Style, S-T-Y-Y-L, and it is not an Omnia product. We will put the link in the description below, and we will use this along with our Omnia Maxi pan. Never been used before, so this should be exciting. Now, Stu and I purchased a few of these dividers, and if you are a part of our Facebook group, Stovetop, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans, keep your eyes peeled because we are going to do another giveaway. Now, I am at the House of Beans bait and tackle shop. I'm ready to cook. Let's cook the coffee loaf cake. Hey guys, before I pour the batter in, if you love to watch my cooking videos just as much as I love to make and prepare and eat them, please hit that notification bell, click that like button, and do us a huge favor. Please subscribe to the Little House of Beans.